another video. Today we are doing superhero versus. Are you gonna say it? Yeah. I said made broaded sense. And whoever can.
You didn't tell me that.
Oh. Ready up.
I'm ready.
But why am I setting them X? Because whoever gets the most kills wins. Doy.
I didn't know that.
Okay, that's better.
I thought we were gonna do red versus blue. Whoever wins gets a V-Bucks.
Guys, I'll see you. What? Okay. Well, do you have a V-Bucks card?
Yeah.
Well, then you better give it to me because I'm prepared to win.
No. I actually don't want to do that.
Fine. Guys, I'll see you in the lobby. Oh, since I do not have a shirt, my name is Sir Nippleman. Oh, see, there's the bad YouTuber, Mr. Tom.
Hey, jump!
Well, we gotta land separately because we are not a team. Well, I'm landing sweaty sands and you're landing sweaty sands. I'm gonna get a bunch of but Ronan, we are allowed to revive each other. Okay? And guys, I want to tell you the funniest story. One time I pranked. Oh, I actually killed. I tricked an OG player. You know how I know he was OG? Because he was wearing the purple scope trooper. Oh, shoot! I thought I was about to die there from fall damage, and then you would instantly win. But I already have a weapon. This is just a normal game of solo.
I have a weapon. I see you. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
I just eliminated a banana. Can I get a woo-woo?
Oh, now guess who's winning?
I killed him.
Well, I actually killed him.
I got more gold than you.
No, I have 167.
What kind of stink bomb?
I'm the winner because I got 2 kills and you only have 1.
I have grenades.
So you got them from over there. And I'm getting the brainable jackpot. No, this is my bow.
I already have a bow. I don't need another.
Even though we're not a team, I'm asking you for something.
I found a submachine gun.
And we're allowed to trade stuff. Wait, show me the submachine gun. Drop it so I know you're. Or I'll shoot you in the balls.
Okay, I'm showing you. I don't know how to draw. Oh, is that you had to play?
Oh, I was so close to hitting that guy. I hit him, but I'm at 2 HP. Even though we're not a team, we're technically a team. That doesn't make any sense, Texan. Whoa, there's a hole in the ground, so, hey! I'm gonna eat Brody's kid. This is a funny meme that me and Gavin do. It's like when we say, I'm gonna eat Brody's. You got the knock first. You got the first knock. You got the first knock. You got the first knock. Okay. No, I can't because we're not a team.
Yes, we are.
Well, technically we're not. I'll get you a boot card.
Dude!
I'm in the middle of a very intense fight here.
You just won. Please.
No, there's someone shooting me. I'll res you in a sec. I want to win this.
No, I'm about to die, right?
Well, I could get you a boot card. Headshot, baby. not a team.
Technically, we are.
Yeah, I know.
Just rev me while I go to the bathroom.
Rona just left.
Hi, I'm back.
That was like 5 seconds. Wait.
My dad was in there. You saved me just in time. I was at 4 HP. No!
Ooh, that looks nice. There, I got your reboot card.
You're mean.
I was about to res you, but then my game crashed.
No, it didn't.
Hey. Technically, we're not a team. And why are you...
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I'm literally running towards you. Rage.
Next time you're about to die, I'm not going to help you.
Jeez, I'm reviving you.
I just left.
Oh, well, I'm a rage quitter. You're a little rage quitter. It's all up to me, man! I'm shooting in the...
Okay, let's do one red versus blue.
Okay, see you guys.